How to email a resume. Check the templates. 1. Sample email to send. Resume to recruiter. Dear, I'm interested in the post of. My resume is attached to this email. After reading the job description, I believe I possess all the necessary abilities and credentials. Details about my current employment and previous roles are also available. Can you describe the steps in the process and how they will be completed? You can reach me at on. I'm interested in your response regarding how to proceed with my application. Your name. Dear, my name is and I'm submitting an application for the job of. A copy of my resume is attached to this email. I have years of industry experience and a lot of transferable knowledge. I've read the job description and I think I'm qualified. I'm eager to apply for the position of because it's a fantastic opportunity and a fantastic company. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with me if you have any questions. Insert contact details. Would you kindly confirm that you receive my email and inform me of the procedure's next steps? Your name.
Dear, I'm making an application for the job of @. Please find my CV and cover letter attached as stated in the job description. I describe my motivation for applying for the job, my prior experience, and my pay goals in my cover letter. You can reach me at any time at or by email if you have any questions. Regards.
Dear, thank you for taking a look at my application for the post of @. Even though I was unhappy that I wasn't selected for the interview, I can see why, if it's feasible. I'd like to continue in touch with you, so please send me information on any upcoming opportunities you think I could be a good fit for.